How to create sub-collections in Shopify. What's up guys, my name is Krause and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can actually create sub-collections. So to get started you do want to head over to the products tab on the left and then to collections. Now by default it isn't actually possible to kind of have a hierarchy in the collections. However, I will show you a workaround on how to actually achieve this. So to get started, I will just simply create a collection called clothing, which would be our main collection. I'm simply just going to save this. And then I'm going to actually create two sub-collections, which would then be one tops. And then the second collection would be a bottoms collection right here. Then I will just simply head over to my products on the left and I'm going to select first of all of the different clothing items, and I'm then going to add these onto the clothing collection right here. Then I'm going to repeat that process with all of our tops, which I'm then going to actually add to the tops collections. Perfect. And then I'm going to add this jogger right here onto the bottoms collection right here. Perfect. Okay, so by default now, basically our Shopify collection page is going to look the following. As you can see, we do have our bottoms, clothing, furniture, and tops. Now furniture is kind of, I use this in another tutorial, you can just ignore this. But basically what we do want to do is we want to be able to click on clothing and then have our bottoms and our tops collection right here on that clothing page. And let me now show you how to achieve this. So to do this, you will have to open up the Shopify editor. To do so, just click on customize right here. Now I assume most of you are already familiar with this. You do have your general structure of the site on the left, and once you've selected certain elements, you are going to have the different kind of settings on the right. Now I've actually added an autoplay video in one of my previous videos. Now by the way guys, if you do want to streamline your Shopify journey, make sure to right now get access to my course with the link down below. It's completely free. So to get started, we do want to change the view from homepage to collections, and then as of right now I'm just going to select default collection right here. Now I do have some other templates installed right here, however you can just ignore them, you aren't going to have them and the setup is going to be exactly the same. Now we can actually change the preview right here on the left to clothing, and we could then right now get started adding new sections onto this. However, right now we are still under the default collection site, so basically if we are going to add sections right here, this is going to show up for all of the different collection sites, which we don't want. So generally we do want to actually click on default collection right here, click on collections and then add a new template, and then I'm just going to name this clothing collection right here. And we can base this off the default collection. Click on create template, and now this is going to open up this clothing collection right here. Now we are quickly going to change the preview to clothing so that this is going to look more real. To now add the tops and bottoms collection, you will simply just have to click on add sections on the left, and then you will have to add this collection list item onto your store. So in this case, I'm just actually going to drag this on top of these items, which I'm going to do with this icon right here. Perfect. And now we will have to select the actual collections that we want to add right here. So I'm just going to first of all select collection 1 right here. I'm going to right now add the tops collection onto this. As for the collection 2, I'm just going to add the basically the bottoms right here. Perfect. And I'm going to delete this third collection. Now we can now actually further customize this. For example, we can actually, maybe we can hide this clothing collection banner right here, or if we do want to, we can also hide the product grid right here from our general clothing collection. Now for SEO purposes, it does actually make sense to leave this turned on, so basically so that this is visible. However, you can simply just also turn this off, and now you only do have the collections visible right here. However, as you can see on the top left, right now this isn't assigned to any page, and to change this, we will just have to click on save. We will then have to exit this, and now you will just have to go to pages right here. I'm sorry, actually you don't need the pages section, you need to rather click on products right here on the left, head over to collections, select the clothing collection in my case, and then under theme template right here, you will have to change this to the clothing collection. And now if we're going to view this, as you can see, this is going to look like this, and we can now access the tops collection as well as the bottoms collection through this clothing collection page right here. We all know that starting a successful Shopify store can be super hard. That's why I'm right now giving out my Shopify course for completely free. Now you're going to learn everything needed to actually streamline your Shopify success in that exact course, so make sure to click on the link down below to get started.